Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable the mono audio in your Android phone for your Yamaha earbuds. So once you actually are paired with your earbuds, you need to open the settings in your Android phone, scroll down to the accessibility here, and now you need to search for hearing enhancements. Here, mono audio, play the same sound out of both speakers. Make sure that this is turned on. If you don't have the hearing enhancements option, the section, you need to just search for some hearing settings. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.